Hi, welcome to everyone. This is my Lamborghini car and I have uploaded many of its first videos on this channel. You can see that too. And I have a lot of videos of this helicopter and they are fun to watch. In today's video, I am going to show you if you can lift this car with your power or not. So let's start our video by first tying the two of them up with this rope. Like, share, comments and don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel, and thanks for watching.